Mentes Technologies Private Limited is a forerunner in providing HF-UHF-NFC based solutions. We also provide solutions based on BLE, Bluetooth and beacons and other varied sensors in an integrated system landscape with our web application and mobile application. We have a team with an average experience of 15 plus years of industry exposure. We study your requirement and we provide you the solutions that fits your requirement, not just currently but also for your future needs. So in short, we are future ready to provide you the solution that you need now as well as to scale it up for your future requirements. iThing is our web and mobile based platform to manage and engage the data that we have collated by implementing our solutions to generate reports and analytics to meet the customer requirement and to help them do decision making for all their further engagements. Our team of experts have been working behind the scene for over a decade to deliver reliable and robust solutions in AIDC, that is auto identification and data capture, and have delivered multiple solutions across different domains. To name some of them, AVIS, Automated Vehicle Identification System, WAS, Weighbridge Automation and Security Solution, VTS, Vehicle Tracking System, and VAS, Vehicle Access System. We automate facilities like parking management, canteen, attendance, access controls. We also provide solutions such as library management system. Asset and component tracking are a critical solution that we deliver to a lot of our clients. We also have solutions catering to on-demand requirement by some of our customers that requires us to do extensive research and developing prototypes using varied sensors to meet the exact requirement that has been bestowed to the company. Our first solution offering in the queue is a panic button solution. Real-time alert mechanism during times of emergency. Panic button is a tool in the form of a button that, when pressed, will activate the alarm or make calls to registered numbers in the security room or to your neighbors and show which house is in an emergency need help. This solution finds a lot of applications. For instance, for a theft or a robbery at home, a distress call by a pregnant woman, a patient, or your old aged parents at home alone seeking help, or a minor accident that may arise because of a fire, or let's say you left your kid alone at home. Our second offering is a real-time household water usage monitoring using smart water meters. Perhaps water rationing and monitoring using a smart meter can solve the issues of water scarcity. The third solution is a real-time parking management. Unmanaged parking spaces, shared parking areas in corporate premises, and public parking lots create a lot of chaos due to lack of visibility of the parking layouts and no provision for prior reservation options. Our web and mobile app integrated parking management platform using sensor-based solution is surely a relief to a lot of users. With a view to meet the growing demand of tracking solutions, a team of experts have been working with varied technologies using BLE, Bluetooth, beacons, GPS and GPRS. We have designed wearables using these technologies. People are keen to know whereabouts of their kids, their parents, patients, their pets, both indoors as well as outdoors. Our smart wearable devices have been a relief to many parents. They're able to track the exact location of their kids using a simple mobile app and field relief, and many more such areas. The solution offering that you saw during this video are just the tip of an iceberg. We also provide on-demand consulting and solutioning based on your requirements. We are future ready. You are welcome to work with us, and for more information, please follow the numbers and write to us on the email mentioned here. Thank you.